Good night, little one, it's time for bed. Let's say goodnight from A to Z instead. A is for apple, sleepy and red. Time to rest your little head. B is for bear, cuddly and sweet, dreaming softly while asleep. C is for cat, purring low, closing eyes, it's time to go. D is for duck, floating by, good night duckling, hush, don't cry. E is for elephant, gentle and slow, good night big friend, it's time to go. F is for firefly, glowing bright, shining softly through the night. G is for giraffe, standing tall, good night giraffe, sweet dreams to all. H is for horse, resting near, good night horsey, dreams are here. I is for igloo, cozy and white, good night igloo, warm tonight. J is for jellyfish, floating free, good night glowing in the sea. K is for kitten, soft and small, good night kitten, curled in a ball. L is for lamp, shining dim, good night lamp, sleep within. M is for moon, glowing bright, good night moon, good night night. N is for nest, tucked up high, good night birdies, don't you cry. O is for owl, wise and true, good night owl, hoo hoo hoo. P is for panda, cuddly bear, good night panda without a care. Q is for quilt, cozy bed, wrap up warm, rest your head. R is for rabbit, hopping slow, good night bunny, dreams will grow. S is for star, shining bright, good night stars, fill the night. T is for train, going slow, good night choo-choo, off we go. U is for umbrella, resting tight, good night umbrella, sleep tonight. V is for violin, soft and sweet, good night music, gentle beat. W is for whale, deep in the sea, good night whale, dream with me. X is for xylophone, quiet and low, good night music, soft and slow. Y is for yawn, sleepy head, close your eyes, it's time for bed. Z is for zebra, stripes so neat, good night zebra, dreams complete. Good night, A to Z, close your eyes and dream with me. Good night.